$8 million building.
Yeah.
So I'm just, yeah, I'm just there for.
Well, I can tell you, I've been to the Greatness Factory. I'm trying to remember the first time we went there. I believe was an invite for a tour. They were the theater was done. Most of the second floor offices to give people a vision, as it's a 3-story building on Church Street in downtown Nashville.
$8 million building.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the first floor is an amazing coffee shop. It's a place to hang out. And then the theater that you're talking about, 25-foot screen, 110 seats or so with the full audio stuff in the back, the lighting, the boards, the screens.